Hi! Welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Christmas is around the corner and I thought that this ring is really easy to make, and if you still don't have your presents, you can just easily make one of this. I think it's really cute. This ring, I made it with 7 Bicones. But you can make it with 6, you can make it with 8, you can make it with 10. You can make this ring as big as you want to. So this one, as you can see, it's 7. So for the one I'm gonna be showing today, I'm going to make it with 6 only, just because when I was finishing this ring, as you can see, there is 3 Bicones on this side and the ring band is holding from these 2, and there are only 2 right here. So I'm gonna make it with 6 so you guys can see the difference. And like I said, you can make it with 8. If you want it bigger, you can make it with 10. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let's get started. To start, we are going to grab 6 8/0s. We are going to bring them down and we are going to leave 2 or 3 inches tail just to make knots. We are going to sew through all of them. And right here, we can make some knots so we can cut the tail of our thread. Make a double one. We are going to sew through 2 more. And we can trim the end if that's what you want. If it doesn't bother you, just leave it there. You are going to pick up 111, 1/8, and 111. Your thread is exiting from this 8/0. We are going to sew back through the same 8/0 and through one more. We are going to pick up 111, 1/8, and we are going to sew through the 11, through the 8, and through one more 8. And we are going to repeat this step 3 more times. Our thread is coming out of the 8. We are going to sew up through the next 11. We are going to pick up 1/8 and we are going to sew down through the 11 across and back through the same 8. We are going to sew up through the next 11 and we are going to reinforce the 6/8 that we just add. And this is what you should have. It's like a starting prismatic triangle weave with 6 beads. We are going to pick up 1/8 and we are going to sew through the next 8/0. Pick up 1/8 and sew through the next 8/0. And we are going to continue all the way around. This is the last 8/0 we adding, so we are going to sew through 1, down through the next 11, through the 8, And we are going to repeat the step we just make on the other side. This is what you should have. We are going to sew up through the next 8. We are going to pick up 1 11, 1 bicone, and 1 11. Our thread is coming out of this one. We are going to sew through the one across the next one. And you can just sew straight if you want to. I just like to do it this way, in a zigzag way. You don't have to. Pick up 111, 1 bicone, and 111. Our thread is coming out of this one. We are going to go across from the next one. And don't tie this too much. We can come back and reinforce. Repeat this 4 more times. This is the last one. We are going to sew through that one. We are going to sew through 111 and 1 bicone. And we are going to pick up 111. Sew through this 8 that is open. Pick up 111. Sew through the bicone. Pick up 111. Sew through the 8. And you are going to continue all the way around. I am about to add my last 11. What we are going to do next is we are going to reinforce so we can make our bicones straighter. Okay, so go ahead and reinforce, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. I'm done reinforcing. Make sure all your beads look straight. Fix them, make the necessary adjustments. Right now we are going to start adding a ring band. We want to be coming out of the 8. We are going to pick up 2 11s and we are going to sew through the next 8 that is sticking out. And we are going to sew through all the 8 O's until we get to the other side. So we gotta sew through 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to pick up 2 11s and sew through the next 8. We are going to sew through all these beads until we get to the 11s that we add on the other side. We are going to sew through the 2 11s. Pick up 1 11 and sew through the same 11 your thread is exiting from. And back through the 11 that we just added. Pick up 1 11 and sew through the second 11. And back through the 11 that we just added. sew through the 2 first 11s and back to the 2 that we just add. And we are going to continue repeating this step until we get the length that we need for a ring band. Pick up 1, sew back through the one our thread is exiting from, and back through the one we just add. Pick up 1, sew through the second one, and back through the one we just add. Sew through the previous 2, come down through the 2 we just add. Continue. I have the length that I need for my ring band. So what we are going to do is we are going to make sure it's not twisted. Our thread is exiting from this side. So we are going to sew through the first 11 that we add on the other side. And we are going to sew back through the same 11 on the ring band. Sew through 2 11s. Sew through 1 11 on the ring band, back through the 11 on the base, and then back through the 2 11s on a ring band. And you should be done with your beautiful ring. What are you gonna do next? You're gonna make some knots and you are going to cut your thread. The one thing that I will recommend, if you can reinforce all the way around so we can pass one more time through these beads, that'll be great. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I think it's pretty safe. This is how our ring looks. So you can see the difference right now. This one has 6 Bicones. This one has 7. I think they both look good, but I don't know, that's gonna be up to you. Like I say, if you want it bigger, if you want it smaller, you can make it with 4 beads, you can make it with 6, 8, 10, that's up to you. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know in your comments and share my videos with your friends. Thank you. Until next time.